Okay, we're back. We're gonna walk through this little terrain right here. Yeah, check out this tree. Oh man, the big guy. What else we got over here? All right, we're gonna walk the trail for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna try and get inside the thickness. Get inside the thickness of the forest. Yeah. Look behind me. It's always good to look behind you, man. Look at that forest. Holy, this is bad, man. This weather is horrible. I'm telling you. There's no one else out here. I'm crazy for doing this, but you gotta do it for YouTube, right? You guys want to see this type of stuff. Hopefully we see an animal or some shit. Well, I don't know what I want to see, but I don't know. We're gonna go from this way here. Woo! Go in the forestry. That's all water. I can't go near there. It's all water, guys. It's all water. It's the Credit River. That's what they call it, Credit River. Yeah, man. Uh-oh, it's kind of blurry. Let me fix this. There we go. See, this is the part where it gets scary. My camera's getting all foggy. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go underneath this tree for a minute. Try and get some shelter. Yeah. Okay. No, that's too deep, man. I can't go up there.